So today we are going to see how to use a calculated field and use its formula in Excel. Usually we use this function in Excel when we want to use a pivot table. Okay, so we're going to first create our pivot table, especially from our predefined table as we have on our layout. So in order to create our pivot table, we're going to select first the table we have in front of us. Okay, and next we're going to create our pivot table. Okay, so if you follow the steps as you can see, you would easily create your pivot table and it will generate or it will send you on this page. Okay, so on your right you can see the different headers we had in our previous table. So the table has not disappeared, we still have the table. Okay, so just know that we are here to now personalize our own table. Okay, so now in order to personalize our own table, let's select the employer's name or the employee's name. We are going to classify the products with respect to the employers. Okay, so in order we are going to add the different products. Good, so this is marvelous. Okay, so this being done, okay, so what we need to do is that we then have to know how to actually use a calculated field. Okay, so in order to use a calculated field, you first of all go on the right button. Okay, and you click on the tab pivot table analyze. Okay, so from there you are going to select the calculated field, and we are going to uh, create or yeah, to create another or like a field. Okay, so let's create our first field. Okay, so our first field will be the total of all these products. Okay, how many products did each of the employees uh, sold on this day. Okay, so let's say the first one will be total. Okay, our first field will be total, and since we want to know the sum total of all the products, so we are going to generate our formula. Okay, so the formula would be as thus. We are going to take each of the products and add to one another. Okay, so don't forget to write the products as it had been predefined on the table. Okay, if not you will have an error or an error will be generated. Okay, so product 4. Okay, good, and lastly product 5. Okay, so this being done, we can then click on OK, and this table will be generated. Okay, so you can see a good number of or the sum total of the products that each of the employees actually made on this day. Okay, so let's see if possible we can generate, if we can actually give a particular percentage for each of the employees. Okay, meaning for those employees that actually had the sale per day or sold all the products a day, we are going to give them a particular percentage of gain. Okay, so since as we can see